Welcome to the ExpertOption monthly market look back and look forward. We look back at the main events of December and important upcoming events in January. December has been a significant month for Bitcoin traders. The digital currency broke through the $16,000 mark and hit the $20,000 mark. The US Federal Reserve raised rates for the third time in 2017 from 1.25% to 1.5% range. Brexit officially moved into its second stage of negotiations to agree on the UK and EU's future relationship. The San Francisco Bitcoin Exchange said it would allow customers to buy and sell Bitcoin Cash. As we begin the new year, January will be relatively quiet with few big events. The US non-farm payrolls come out. Expectations are for the addition of 185,000 jobs, lower than last month's addition of 228,000 jobs. The 48th World Economic Forum meeting will take place in Switzerland with more than 3,000 participants representing 100 countries. The month will end with the Federal Reserve's first interest rate decision of the year. Rates are expected to remain unchanged. Several sources expect Bitcoin to finally break the $20,000 barrier in January. The actual price dropped to $14,000 at the end of December. Join us next time for your monthly market overview. Until then, ExpertOption wishes you successful trading.